do.
I think the talk of time guys did more than 2 minutes. I might go over 2. We never know. They always have me bad time when I get doing speeches, though. And I'm a boat builder engineer. I'm not really a speech guy, but I'll give it a try. Okay. So this is a really cool award. Maybe the coolest for an engineer in the innovation category. And I don't know if it gets any better. Working with your family that you love, and every day we build some super cool boats for people, and they're super fuel efficient and just stable. They don't pound, and it's a different kind of a boat. So I guess how did you get here? I've always been that dreamer kind of guy. When I was 12 years old, I was the guy that had 12 tree floats. I mean, I was the guy that at 14, I took my mini bike apart and I rebuilt it into something different, and it worked a lot better afterwards. The big thing, was meeting this smart, energetic, gorgeous girl in my chemistry class in high school, Kathy. And Kathy loves the outdoors. She loves boating and sailing and biking and flying. I mean, how could it get any better? So, I had to marry this girl. We finished college, started having kids, but after about 10 years of sort of innovative engineering, working to grow other companies very dramatically, I concluded it was time to start my own business. And, I love boating, and I always say to start a business in an industry that you love. So, boating was it. So I needed to figure out the niche inside of boating, and, it kind of dawned on me that the gorgeous girl I married, she actually doesn't do very well in heavy seas. I mean, she gets seasick, she turns green, and she actually gets pretty grumpy. I needed to solve that problem. And, I remember racing hover cats with her in high school, and, the catamaran didn't bother her at all. She didn't get seasick. So it seemed like, that might be the basis for a really cool business. And so I decided to build a prototype along the side of the house. And we build it, we run it. The first try it didn't work, but a couple of tries later I got it running really well. And it becomes the basis for a patented product that is a company called Glacier Bay Catamarans. And we grow that over about a 20-year period to what becomes the largest catamaran company in the world. And it was fun. But by about 2008, I was ready to start a new company. And at that point, it seemed like people wanted to go boating, but they didn't want to spend a lot of money on fuel. They wanted a stable, efficient boat. And real eco-friendly too. So that was sort of the goal for Aspen, and we developed the world's first Power Pro catamaran. And it's a very, very fuel-efficient boat, very stable, and it works pretty well. So far, we've sold about $18 million worth, and I think we have like a $3 or $4 million backorder right now. So it's working pretty well. So then it's like, how did I get the family involved with this? I must admit, it really wasn't part of my plan. I've got 3 kids, and they're pretty amazing. But I've always encouraged them to do their own thing, and to follow their dreams, not mine. But as we were building the boat companies, they were always involved with the adventure trips and sleeping in the garage, the shop floors, and just kind of involved with the business. And we've always, so anyway, they were curious, interested. And so I think I'm pretty lucky that the kids have been involved. Our first here is Nick, who's the taller one there. And Nick is a super sociable, outdoorsy, friendly sort of guy. He joins the team, and he's actually our sales manager, and he sold all those boats. So go. We've got Steve there right next to him, and Steve's more detail-oriented. I mean, everything has to be just right. Perfectionist might be the word. He loves numbers and technology, and he's become our finance manager, and he has finance people that have a hard time keeping up with him. He's very talented in that regard. And then we Kathy's got a few hats. You kind of notice the hair's a little thin on the side of his head there. It's because he wears a lot of hats. So anyway, it could be marketing, it could be human resources, it could be lots of things. Then we have Christina on the end, and Chrissy, like her mom, is very outdoorsy and smart and very detail-oriented. She buys about $300,000 worth of parts per month. So in her spare time, well, she raises her 3 kids, so not too bad. So then Nick marries Sarah right here, and Sarah's super friendly. She's really outgoing. She's really office savvy. She becomes the office manager. And then recently she had a munchkin, and so she's kind of bowed out for that job right now. The one guy that's not here, he's home watching the grandkids that are sick, is Brandon. And he's an amazing outdoor kind of guy too. Diesel mechanic, he's our service manager, done amazing things for us, and the owners love him. So we're kind of unusual in that we take care of, we'll design the boat, build the boat, sell the boat, take care of the boat afterwards, and then as they move up into bigger boats, we'll build that for them too. So Brandon takes care of the boats. And last but not least, we started to finish the story with Kathy, and it's my amazing wife, also my high school sweetheart. Okay. Okay. I need to do this. Anyway, let's see here. I lost it. Okay. Anyway, she's really been the #1 supporter for Aspen through this 30-year journey, and it's been not an easy journey. She kind of follows in the wake of this crazy engineer, inventor guy, and he's always spending lots of money on ideas and things that no one's ever done before. And they might not work. And she doesn't really complain too much. This is really good. He's building prototypes in the garage and along the side of the house, and I'm using chemicals, and there's lots of dust, and it's smelly, and she still doesn't complain. And then whenever we make money, we reinvest it in the business, and she doesn't complain. So anyway, Kathy, even supports me recently as we take a boat around the United States. We've done across the Atlantic, across the Pacific. We've done all kinds of crazy boat trips, which are maybe slightly dangerous. She doesn't complain about that either. So anyway, Kathy, always there, always on board. Yay!